In this video, you're going to learn how to structure your affiliate website to dominate in your niche. Hey guys, it's Adam here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to structure your affiliate website to dominate in your specific niche. Okay, so let's get started. I have 5 different points to cover. First off would be to write long form, high quality articles, okay? Which is so important nowadays, especially in 2020, because there's a lot more competition than it used to be, right? Back in the day, right, all you had to do was keyword stuff, and write really short articles, and you'd start ranking on Google. But nowadays, you really need to write super long form content, which is super high quality. I guess you can do 1,000 words for a support article, but for money articles, I wouldn't do less than 1.5k words or 2k at least minimum. Okay, you can go all the way up to like 5k words for some of your money posts. Okay, so make sure you write really long form, high quality content, and it has to be high quality. Okay, you can't just write really long form content but then just write some rubbish. Okay, it has to be to the point. Okay, and the way you want to do this is, let's say the user is reading about something, and you want to think what the next question they're gonna have in their mind, and you want to write it right after you write the first response. So they're gonna be like, oh, okay, I realized what, let's say if it's something like dog training, and then in the next post you teach them like something like, oh, how do I get them to dog train, something like that. Well, that wasn't really a good example, but I just thought of it through right on the spot. But something like that, okay, something which they're gonna think right after. And what you guys can do is, you guys can have, if it's a small one, you guys can include a lot of these. If it's a big one, you could just link to a different article right near the end, so they'll go and check it out. Okay, next up we have at least 3 supporting articles. Okay, writing at least 3 supporting articles which point to your money article. So let's say here you wrote your article, let's say it's a specific headphone review. Okay, and what you want to do is, you want to get at least 3 different articles on your website which point to this article. Okay, because it's going to help rank it and increase relevancy when you do this. So something like, let's say headphones, right? If it's a certain headphone, you could write something like, you could write a problem which headphone users have. So for the first article, you could write a problem or an issue the person has. Okay, and you could give them a fix, and then you point to your review and put an affiliate link on this page as well. Okay, next step would be on this page right here, would be something like a how-to, right? A how to do something, or a guide. Okay, a guide keyword or how to. Yes, it's similar to this one, but it's still slightly different because it's a how to or a guide. And then last one, you could do a discount of that product, like do X headphones have a discount? Okay, right, and then you could if they don't have a discount, you could be like, no, but you could check out their latest price here, and then you could also link out to your review article here. Okay, so if you just had this one thing, it's going to be harder to rank alone, Okay, and B, if you had all these traffic, right? Let's say this is not ranking. Let's say you just started your niche site, right? But these supporting articles always rank quicker because they have a lower competition. Because most people, all they do is reviews, 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 right? You want to hit all these different. You want to hit them with a different angle, creative angle, which is our next point, I believe. Exactly. So number 3, we have finding a creative angle and long tail keywords. This is so important, okay? So if it's like something like just weight loss, you're not gonna, there's no way you're gonna rank for weight loss, okay? There is no way. You want something which is super long tail, okay? So it could be like how to lose weight. Okay, that's a short keyword. How to lose weight with intermittent fasting for men of age 40 plus. You see how specific that is? Which is gonna get more clicks on Google, because someone's gonna see, oh, it's for me. If it's a 40-year-old looking it up, it's gonna be for me, because or else they won't search this keyword, right? So it's not only makes it more specific, but it also makes it easier to rank on Google, because of certain people searching exactly these specific keywords on Google. Okay, and a creative angle. What do I mean by that, right? So it's usually people say, oh, just do guides, discounts, or I forgot what I said here, but again, there's so many different ones. For example, if you wanted to sell Blue hosting, right? You wouldn't do Bluehost review. There, okay, you can, but what are the chances of you ranking on first page of Google for the keyword Bluehost review? Very low. Okay, unless you have been your site's super old, your site has a ton of authority, and your articles is top notch. Okay, those 3 things, and obviously your website has a lot of backlinks. That's why the authorities there's a lot of authority. But let's what if you did something like how to create a website in under 2 minutes, or how to create a blog in under 2 minutes, right? How to create a blog in under 2 minutes. Again, that's like a different approach, right? Like a different creative angle. So if you find these keywords which are creative, like for example, for something like Bluehost, you could do something like Bluehost pricing, right? Or you could ask, or you could also ask, target a keyword like, does Bluehost have a trial? Right? Is there a free trial for Bluehost? Because people are searching all these keywords. I would go to this website called answerthepublic.com, and what you do is you just type it in. Okay, there we go here. So you just come over here, and then you type in something like Bluehost, and it'll give you a ton of different questions. Wait for it to load. It's there we go. So now this found out, let's see what it found out. Can Bluehost host Wix? See, people are asking all these questions, so you could write articles on all these questions. Okay, right? Where is Bluehost located? Where to find Bluehost? Where to find SSH? Now, here's what this does. It will do it. What it does is it increases relevancy, which I'll talk about near the end. But again, I showed you guys, another just one way to find creative keywords and long tail keywords as well. And next up, we have putting the user experience first. Okay, so a website which does this great is Backlinko. If you head over to something like this, so just head over to this website, Backlinko. As you guys can see, this article right here, backlinks. What are backlinks? And then he explains it in a very short and concise way. and then he has like an infographic or an image explaining kind of what it is, and then he gives an example, and then here he says why are backlinks important. So that is something a person who does not know backlink, who lands on this page and he reads this, is probably thinking, right? Like, why are they important? And then they're going to read this, and then he provides another image explaining more, and then he goes deeper into it, providing statistics and whatnot, just increasing the overall user experience, right? Like, if you can take a look at this article, it's like, and Backlinko is ranking on a lot of different keywords, and he's probably on the top page, okay? With this much information, with this much quality, you're definitely gonna rank pretty high, and people are gonna link back to you as well because of your such a high quality of article you're writing, okay? So always put user experience in mind. Don't keyword stuff, don't put in like, don't overextend with your keywords, meaning don't just put in Bluehost review, Bluehost review, Bluehost review, like all throughout your article. Put that in like 1 or 2, 3 times, okay? You don't even need to put it that many times. And before, people used to be like, oh, what ratio should you be? Should you be 33%? Or how many times per word should you put your main keyword in? Guys, I wouldn't do that. What I'd rather do is put in LSI keywords. So I'll put a website down in the description where you guys can just put in your main keyword like Bluehost, and it will spit out well, not Bluehost, or something like Bluehost trial, and then you just put that in a LSI keyword tool. It will spit out synonyms like, oh, does Bluehost have a free trial? So that's a LSI keyword to Bluehost trial keyword, okay? And last one, and not the least, but this is so important: interlinking and niching down to increase relevancy, okay? So with all the articles I told you, right, with the supporting, so let's say you wrote an article and then you wrote like all 3 of these articles, and then you link back to your main money post. Yeah. So the reason you want to interlink, so you not just want to link them out to here, you also want to link in between them. Let's say this one links out to this, and this one links out to this, the middle one. And what this just does is it just increases, it tells Google, it helps Google understand what your website's about. And that's why I also said to niche down. So for example, a perfect example of website I always use is 5funnel.com. Now this website is mainly for ClickFunnels, and it's by a guy named Franklin Hatchett, and so he's one of the largest largest affiliates for ClickFunnels. And as you guys can see, this website has like a ton of different articles. They're all on ClickFunnels or GetResponse, okay? And then he's ranking for a ton of these keywords, right? And he's actually ranking even higher because Google knows his website is purely based on ClickFunnels and GetResponse, okay? So it's gonna rank it much higher than some people who are super general, okay? Now that being said, authority still matters, backlink still matters, but in 2020, relevancy matters way more, okay? Now, when I say this doesn't mean if Forbes writes about ClickFunnels is fake, they're gonna get the first spot. But when you do something like this, when you write a lot of different articles, when you write tons and tons of different articles on a very niche specific subject, you're gonna rank much higher than someone who only wrote like one article and has, maybe a little bit more authority than you do, okay? And here's what's gonna happen. All these people who are clicking on these, they're gonna land in this page, and then they're gonna click on his affiliate links. So he's still gonna make more money, even if you're ranking for just one keyword just higher on Google, okay? Because he has so many different keywords pointing to one direction. Now this website is by a guy named Franklin Hatchett. He does this full time. I also do this full time, but He has made millions of dollars doing this, and this is just one of his websites. He has like a ton of different ones. So I always recommend to get his affiliate marketing course. His affiliate marketing course is called Savage Affiliates. Now this is not your typical guru course, and nor is it like $2,000. You know, these gurus selling their course for $2,000, and that's how they're making their money. But Franklin, you know, this course right here, Savage Affiliates, I'll leave a link down in the description. But this course is actually one of the cheapest ones that you could buy, and one of the best ones. The reason why it's one of the best ones is because it has step-by-step instructions for literally everything. So it has free traffic. Okay, you have free traffic. For example, like I believe he talks about Instagram in it, and he talks about he has like a little mini course on YouTube. Like a ton of different videos on YouTube, and then he also talks about growth hacking, which is form traffic, and all these with examples and case studies as well. And he also has let me think, for the free traffic he had that, and blog commenting, right? And he has like a way of getting backlinks from blog comments, like how to do blog commenting the correct way, because a lot of people do it the wrong way. Then he has like a whole different SEO course on its own, which has like a ton of different videos. Then there's like a whole course, I mean a whole module on ClickFunnels. And it also has a ClickBank as well. I believe the ClickBank one is the biggest one. ClickBank, I'm just thinking off the top of my head. I actually reviewed it. You can check out the review link in the description, which is the older one, and then he actually updated the course, which is Savage Affiliates 2.0. But yeah, so yeah, he has ClickFunnels affiliate training. He also has ClickBank training. He also has Amazon Associates training. So these are not just 5-minute videos. These are like lengthy videos where he, you know, discusses the product in depth and everything. And then he has paid ads. Obviously, he has paid ads, but if you do paid ads, that's, you know, that's for you. In the paid ads, he goes over the Google AdWords. He goes over Facebook, both comprehensively. I believe he also does the YouTube ads. Yeah, I think he has YouTube ads, and basic funnel training for both ClickBank and ClickFunnels. You know, how to get more affiliate sales. And yeah, it just has a ton of different stuff. Email marketing as well. But yeah, it has a ton of different stuff for the price he's asking. It's super cheap. Again, you know, people are charging like thousands of dollars just for like the SEO part, or just you know, free traffic IG part, or just the ClickBank module alone. Okay, I believe this course has like what, 100 or 180 plus videos in it, the Savage Affiliate, and it's quite cheap. So, you know, you don't need a course. You know, I recommend, if you're just starting out, or if you're a beginner to even intermediate, to get this course. It'll help you out. It'll save you a lot of time, because Franklin has been doing this for years. And you know, this is a site he actually shows inside his course, and he also shows another one as well. Okay, and people know about this, so I'm not really like showing you guys you know, some of his sites that he doesn't want you guys knowing. So yeah, as you guys can see, but just look at his site, right? He's making money from this site. If you ask him, he'll tell you he's making money from this site. He has like a lot of these sites, and that's why he's, you know, the top affiliate for ClickFunnels. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And thanks for watching.